This is an exciting day in Springfield. Opening the Madison Street and Jefferson Street underpass is going to have a positive impact on this region today and for generations to come. I especially want to thank the incredible team at IDOT, the City of Springfield, Sangamon County, and our business partners. This team makes up what we call the steering committee for the entire Springfield Rail Project, and they have done an excellent job so far. The impact on safety and quality of life here in Springfield will be immediate, including reduced congestion and traffic delays, better access for bike and pedestrian community, livability and commercial development, and vital access for first responders. We are continuing to strengthen the multi-modal system of transportation in the state, thanks to Rebuild Illinois Capital Program. When we work together, we can accomplish anything.